Arkuda Digital Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Arkuda Digital Review. In this video, I'll share my usage experience with Arkuda Digital, a leading software solution designed for media streaming and device management. As always, links to the product are included in the description if you'd like to explore it further. Arkuda Digital is tailored for users seeking seamless media streaming across multiple devices in a networked environment. It's especially ideal for tech-savvy individuals, media enthusiasts, and professionals who rely on DLNA or UPnP protocols for content delivery. The platform's core strength lies in its ability to enable smooth communication between devices like smartphones, smart TVs, PCs, and network-attached storage systems (NAS, making it a versatile choice for building a connected multimedia ecosystem. One of the standout features is Arkuda's media server functionality, which organizes and streams content effortlessly. The intuitive interface allows users to browse, select, and play media across supported devices without compatibility issues. It supports a broad range of formats, ensuring your content is readily accessible without the need for additional conversions. Arkuda Digital also offers a suite of tools for developers who need to integrate DLNA UPnP functionalities into their applications. Its robust SDK, Software Development Kit, simplifies the development process, providing pre-built modules and documentation for easy implementation. For businesses, this means a faster turnaround time for custom media solutions, making it an invaluable asset for companies in the digital entertainment or IoT sectors. Security and reliability are key priorities for Arkuda Digital. The platform includes advanced encryption protocols to protect your media and ensure safe communication between devices. Additionally, it is regularly updated to address potential vulnerabilities and to remain compatible with the latest hardware and software technologies. In conclusion, Arkuda Digital is a powerhouse for media streaming and device management, providing seamless integration, robust functionality, and developer-friendly tools. Whether you're a home user looking to enhance your media experience or a business needing a reliable framework for digital media solutions, Arkuda Digital delivers on all fronts. If this aligns with your needs, check out the links in the description to explore Arkuda Digital further.